All right, Caps Ninja, Sensei Lance here today. And what we're going to be covering today is we're going to be covering a duck under left hook. Now, this is one of my favorite combos, especially for when I'm in close. Maybe somebody's trying to reach out and grab you or something, or maybe they're reaching out with their hand to grab you. And this is a real good technique because, first of all, we don't want their hands on us. We don't want their hands on us, so we want to be evasive. We want to be able to move and get out of the way, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is our hands are going to be up. We're going to recognize the threat. They're reaching out. We are going to duck under, okay? We're going to duck under whatever the attack is. And of course, as we duck under, you can notice how I'm turning my hips here, okay? I'm turning my hips. Now, as I stand back up, what does that set me up for? Boom, that big lead hook that we've practiced in other videos. Okay, so from here, my hands are up. They're reaching out to grab. I got my hands up as a defensive posture. The hands coming out. I'm going to duck under, boom, and come up with my left hook. And the thing is about this is it doesn't matter how large you are, how big of a person you are. You can be a very tiny person. And if you use your legs and your hips properly, from here, if I duck under, watch how I'm torquing my hips. See how my hips are turning this way? And as I come up, I uncoil, using my legs and my hips to get all the power I can in that punch. And of course, as I'm using that power for my punch, I can also use it, boom, to make my getaway also. Okay, so from here, I just want to kind of take a few techniques here, and I just want to take a few minutes here to show you how uncoiling into that left hook can generate a lot of power. I'm going to have the heavy bag here, okay? And what I'm going to do is from here, I duck. I have to pretend. I don't have a partner today, so I have to pretend. Okay, he's reaching out to grab me. Could be with one hand, could be with two hands. But I'm going to duck under it, and as I come up, push! I throw that left hook, and of course, if I hit somebody right on the chin, or the temple, or the ear, or maybe even the eye or nose, that could be very devastating. It could hurt a lot, okay? So from here, my hands are up, I'm gonna duck under, push, and come up with my left hook, using my legs, push, and my hips for power. Legs and hips for power, okay? From here, it's a duck under, come up, boom, throw the big left hook. And of course, since I have my momentum going that way, that's a great direction for me to take off and run. And of course, if I hit this person right in the face, boom, probably disorient them a little bit. By the time they open their eyes and I've taken off running, I'm not standing in the same spot I was a minute ago. Okay? They're going to think I was right here. I'm not there anymore. They say, I'm way over there. I'm talking to an adult. I'm getting a parent's attention. Okay? So this is a great technique. This is an old school boxing technique. From here, my hands are up. I duck under, boom, and throw that left hook. Okay? Remember, we've covered the left hook in other videos, or the lead hook in other videos. Keeping my arm 90 degrees. Here, boom, we're in close. Okay? So from here, a couple more times. I'm here on the bag. I duck, I cock my hips, push, and throw that punch. Okay? Here, duck, push, throw that left hook, take off running as fast as I can. This is a great strategy. This is a great using boxing for abduction prevention. So make sure to practice this one at home. This is one of my favorite combos. This is also great for self-defense, anti-bullying, when dealing with bullies. This is a great technique. Make sure to practice this at home.